and let's get into depth about machine learning. So, first, we'll understand the need for machine learning, or why machine learning came into existence. Now, the need for machine learning begins. Since the technical revolution itself. So, guys, since technology became the center of everything, we've been generating an immeasurable amount of data. As per research, we generate around 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every single day. And it is estimated that by this year, 2021.7 MB of data will be created every second for every person on Earth. So, as I'm speaking to you right now, I'm generating a lot of data. Now, you watching this video on YouTube also accounts for data generation. So there's data everywhere. So with the availability of so much data, it is finally possible to build predictive models that can study and analyze complex data to find useful insights and deliver more accurate results. So, top-tier companies like Netflix and Amazon build such machine learning models by using tons of data in order to identify any profitable opportunity and avoid any unwanted risk. So, guys, one thing you all need to know is that the most important thing for artificial intelligence is data. For artificial intelligence, or whether it's machine learning or deep learning, it's always data. And now that we have a lot of data, we can find a way to analyze, process, and draw useful insights from this data. In order to help us grow businesses or to find solutions to some problems, data is the solution. We just need to know how to handle the data. And the way to handle data is through machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. A few reasons why machine learning is so important is, number one, due to increase in data generation. So, due to excessive production of data, we need to find a method that can be used to structure, analyze, and draw useful insights from data. This is where machine learning comes in, right? It is used to solve problems and find solutions to the most complex tasks faced by organizations. Apart from this, we also needed to improve decision-making. So by making use of various algorithms, machine learning can be used to make better business decisions. For example, machine learning is used to forecast sales. It is used to predict any downfalls in the stock market or identify any sort of risk and anomalies. Other reasons include that machine learning helps us uncover patterns and trends in data. So, finding hidden patterns and extracting key insights from data is the most important part of machine learning. So, by building predictive models and using statistical techniques, machine learning allows you to dig beneath the surface and explore the data at a minute scale. Understanding data and extracting patterns manually takes a lot of time. It will take several days for us to extract any useful information from data. But if you use machine learning algorithms, you can perform similar computations in less than a second. Another reason is we need to solve complex problems. So, from detecting the genes linked to the deadly ALS disease to building self-driving cars, machine learning can be used to solve the most complex problems at present. We've also found a way to spot stars, which are like 2,400 light-years away from our planet. Okay, all of this is possible through AI, machine learning, deep learning, and these techniques. So, to sum it up, machine learning is very important at present because we're facing a lot of issues with data. We're generating a lot of data, and we have to handle this data in such a way that it benefits us. So that's where machine learning comes in.